I'm going to tighten the drain screws in the 4 carburetors and fill it with gas now. Okay, these are carburetor empty as of yesterday. This is carburetor 1. We had to change the drain screw on it because it was leaking because of the rust on the tip. All 4 screws on the carburetor are tight now for the drain screws. Get some gasoline ready. Okay, now all 4 carburetors are closed. I'm pouring fuel in the carburetor stack now. Funnel's empty. Just filling the carburetors. More fuel. Funnel's still draining a little bit. That's good. So we're at the top of the filter now, the funnel now. Okay, so the funnel is full now at 6:32 a.m. There's no drain at all from the drain screws, and it's dry at the moment. We'll check it later.